Ligama lami nginguSikhanyiso Mthethwa. Abantu labaningi bangathi ngama-Fruity Mthethwa, and lelo ligama lami lesibili. Ngingumdlali we-tennis. I-tennis isona sport lengisithanda kakhulu. And futhi-ke i-tennis ngi-inspirishwa ngumuntu lomkhulu kakhulu lowatiwa ngaSerena Williams. Siyadi-ke Serena Williams, a big player of tennis. I'm inspired by that girl. And ngifisile ukuthi i-tennis kube ngumdlalo wami lo-professional. Ngakho-ke ngaleyo ndlela ngingathanda abantu labaningi kumithana nabantu labaningi laba kusame game noma laba kusame sport. Sisharishane my experiences and some more skills. Okay, ngendlela lengine-confidence ngayo nge-tennis. I-confidence yami ingenda ngifisa ukujoyina ama-organizations lamakhulu e-tennis la kaNgwane, so that I can share my skills and ngidi-express ma-experiences zami nema-skills zami kulawa ma-organizations la khona kaNgwane. Njengoba ungumdlali, kuze ubonakale how skilled you are, kufanele ukuthi ungenele ama-competitions whereby lapho utawuthatha khona sicoco phecelezi ma-rewards noma ama-awards aleyo midlalo. So ngifisile and futhi kusifiso sami ukuthi ngichubeke ngidlale i-tennis, ngenele ama-competitions and express my skills lapho. For anyone lone-interest to know more about me, ngicela uthintane nami kunayinombolo 7631 5481 7631 5481. Kanti-ke ngihlala kaZombothe, and lokhu kungenta ngitholakale khathini letiningi around Matsapa and Manzini. Yabo.